I seek refuge from the devil in the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. Dear students, I am Nikhat Naz from Multan Public School and College, Multan. Today we are going to learn a lesson from our history book. Dear students, today we are going to learn a lesson from our history book, chapter number 3, The Crusades, Renaissance and Age of Discovery. In this chapter, we would see how Christianity united Europe, the Crusades, the Renaissance, about Leonardo da Vinci, Renaissance changed Europe, the Age of Discovery, discovery of the sea route to India, Portugal leads in exploration, the discovery of America. First of all, we will see that there was fall of Constantinople in 1453. It is also called as the Dark Ages. The advancement made by the Greeks and the Romans were forgotten. Attacks of warrior tribes. Europe lived in constant war from 7th to 10th centuries. Now we would see how Christianity united Europe. You are going to see the picture of a Charlemagne. He was a great Christian ruler. Now we would see the important points. How Rome became the center of Christianity. The Pope was considered leader and Charlemagne was the Christian king. Christianity gradually spread through Europe. By 1200, Europe was more stable and peaceful Islamic civilization that reached its zenith. Then we would read about Crusades. Crusades were the war that were fought against other nations and that were fought for the cross. If we see the important points, these were the wars for cross. Crusades took place from the end of the 10th century to the end of the 13th century. These were fought to win Jerusalem back from the Muslims. Jerusalem was conquered during Hazrat Umar's Khilafat first. Then we see the role of Seljuk rulers. Dear students, you can see the pictures of the Crusades. Actually, there were 4 Crusades that were fought from 1096 to 1204. The second period is the Renaissance. The timeline of the Renaissance period is 1300 to 1600 AD. Let's see the important points of the Renaissance period. It means the rebirth of learning, knowledge, and progress in Europe. In this period, people turned again to the art and technology of the ancient Greeks. It started from Italy in 1350 and continued up to 1600. It was the bridge between the medieval and the modern ages. Great advancements were made. Now, you can see the portrait of Leonardo da Vinci. He was the rare Renaissance man. Vinci was a native of the Florence. He was a famous painter. He was best known for the work that he had done, the portrait of Mona Lisa and the Last Supper. He was the great observer of nature, and he showed the reflection of his observations in his drawings. Dear students, you can see the portrait of Mona Lisa. It is regarded as the masterpiece of Vinci. Dear students, you can see the portrait of the Last Supper. It is also regarded as a masterpiece of Vinci. Dear students, you can see these drawings. These are a model of a flying machine based on Da Vinci's drawing. A drawing of military tank, drawing showing machines powered by water. Here you can see the sculpture of a Michelangelo. He was also a versatile artist. He also belonged to Florence. And he was the artist who designed Sistine Chapel. He was not the artist of his times, but he was the artist of all times. This is the picture of Sistine Chapel designed by Michelangelo. Dear students, these are the pictures of Galileo and Copernicus, who studied astronomy and put forward logical and correct theories about the solar system and the movement of planets. Now we would see how Renaissance changed Europe. There were production of experts. The Roman numeral number was replaced by the decimal system. Discovery of paper making, work on medicine and sciences and philosophy. Aristotle's rational and logical approach to knowledge. Dear students, you can see the picture of all the discoveries that were made in the age of discovery. You can see a compass, astrolabe, caravel, quadrant. Now we would see the important points of this age. Al-Idrisi's map and notes inspired land and sea exploration. Shipbuildings were designed. Quadrants, astrolabe, clock magnets and compasses, all were the inventions of this age. Traveling far and wide by land routes. Dear students, now we would see how discovery of the sea route to India was made. Economic reasons asked to find the alternative sea route for trade. Trade in spices was very profitable. They looked for the trade routes. Dear students, now we would see how Portugal leads in exploration. You can see the portrait of Henry. He was known as the navigator. Now we would see the important points. Portugal was a small country to the west of the Spain. Best ships and navigation techniques were introduced. Prince Henry was known as the navigator. The easier trade routes were found out. Took over from the Italians and Spanish to find trade routes. There were so many trading routes. Discovery of Indian Ocean and Vasco da Gama. Dear students, now we would see the discovery of the continent of America. You can see the picture of a Christopher Columbus, who discovered America. Dear students, we would see how Christopher Columbus discovered America. He was unknown about landmass of the North and the South America continents. He wanted to move from India and China. He helped by king and queen. He called it West Indies, and the inhabitants of this area were called West Indians. After 10 years, many people of the world confirmed that what he discovered was America. Dear students, this is all from my side. Now it's your turn. I have already broadcast you the work in PDF file that you will have to do. I hope you all have understand it. If, however, you find the difficulty, we would discuss it in our meet class. Thank you very much. Good care. Take good care of your good self.